dog of the week is Berlin. This sweet boy has had it a tough life with multiple injuries, surgeries, and homes. Berlin loves squeaky toys and being next to his person more than anything. He tolerates most dogs but does not want to play and guards his person. Are you looking for the dog to cuddle and spoil? He's your guy. Our cat of the week is Coconut and Latte. These best buds are kind and gentle. They're very sweet and can't wait to go home with you. Come see them at the Summit County Animal Shelter today.